Here are two of the biggest mistakes I see people always making when they're buying their first camera and getting into videography. First of all, they spend a lot of money on a really expensive camera or a camera which they think is good or more than they need. They'll invest £800 into a camera and they'll spend the first year or two just shooting on their kit lens, which I think is incredibly stupid because an £800 camera instead of a £200 camera really doesn't make that much of a difference. Whereas if you bought a £200 camera and bought a £600 lens, your footage would massively improve. So therefore, when buying your first camera, I'd say go for something slightly cheaper, giving yourself more budget to invest in lenses, which will have an evident effect in your video quality. Second of all, people always buy stuff first-hand, and I find this ridiculous. Camera stuff is always very expensive first-hand. When you think about it, you could say it's overpriced. It's just plastic, metal, and glass. So why should you pay £1,000 for it when you can get it second-hand for £400, £500? The GH5 is a very good camera, you can pick that up for £500 and that has everything you need to create professional videos. The S5, like I'm shooting on now, that is also very good and the price has dropped in that massively since the S5 Mark II came out. You can pick up an S5 secondhand for about £600 and that will leave you, like I said, a much bigger budget to buy lenses with.